Alright, this is how to fill up your zippo. So should you run some fuel oil, because zippo fuel oil is like, I think it's a little bit less than this. It's like more money, but less actual fuel. And that's like $9, I think, for something like this. And this is $4. And it's like the same thing, so use this. And to get that open, just use the top of your zippo. Put it in here. Take it out. There we go. And you got this. You're gonna take out your zippo. Yeah. Oh. Whatever. You're gonna open this up. Just pull out this little leaf, like that. Your feather or stuff on it. I don't know. Then, if you have it open, take your own snow fuel oil. 1, 2. Count to like 5 or 6. Let it sink in for a little while. Then do like 6, 7 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. That should be enough. Then just put it back in. I'll wipe it off. Any remaining oil that got on it. Put it in. There.